What's up with these girls?
I think I'm weird. They all think I'm a freak of nature.
Sweetie,
Happy birthday.
Can you hold on a second?
Thank you.
No, if you come in. The party's right in there.
Oh, wait, there's the elevator. Don't panic. I'm gonna be fine. Just
You've got to
I
get
need you to come and get me right away.
Someone cut a chunk out of this little girl's hair.
Are you okay?
Did you do something different with your hair? I love it. It's beautiful.
Okay, that's enough. Enough! Excuse me, what are you doing? Stop!